What up, phone nerds? Ian here from Mega Mobile USA, and today I got for you the Sony Xperia 5 Mark II. Now you can pick this up in my store. I'll leave a link in the description. This phone has a 6.1 inch screen with 120 Hz refresh rate, a 4000 milliamp hour battery. It's dual SIM and comes in either 128 or 256 gigs with 8 gigabytes of RAM. And it's got the Snapdragon 865 processor. All that information is right here on the back as well. It's got IP6568, it's got a triple camera setup, and if you buy it from me, this is exactly what you're gonna get, and I hope you do. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Pull off the top, you got the phone here in this nice plastic. Pull this off, it's got the screen protector, got a little front-facing camera there, sticker on the back, button on the side. I'll go ahead and power it up. And while it's booting up, we got here just some docks, nothing good, honestly. It tells you how to put your SIM card in, which I can't believe they still make you do that anymore. Tray there. You got your international charger, which this is the international version. Just pull down right on that, slip it in there. I give an adapter with every order, so don't even worry about it. You can plug it right in the wall. If you think it looks ugly, you can use an existing charger that you may have. We got USB-C to C here. And Sony, still repping old school, I guess you could call it. They have a regular set of headphones with a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack plug-in right there, which is crazy. Got the power up, got the languages, the region, and then of course this one does come with all the Google Play services pre-installed, so you don't have to worry about anything. There's no flashing, nothing you got to do. Nothing's been done to the phone. It's ready to go out the box. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. If you'd be kind enough to subscribe to the channel, I'm working on some more videos for you guys. Like, comment. If you want the best price, drop a comment below. I'll tell you how to get it. Simple stuff, guys. And I look forward to your business. And thanks again, as always, for watching.